Jeep drivers demanded it, and Vertically Driven Products has delivered yet again. Introducing the Under-Seat Vault from VDP. Adding lockable storage space into your Jeep Wrangler is something that will benefit all drivers. This video will serve as the installation guide for the Under-Seat Vault from VDP, and will cover how to install and operate your vault. Step 1. After removing the product from the packaging, attach the front bracket to the vault using the provided screws. This can be a bit tricky, so here's a pro tip. In order to tighten the screws from underneath the bracket, first add a piece of heavy-duty tape to one side of an 11/32 inch wrench. Press the bolt into the tape with your finger and use this to tighten the screw. Step 2. It is important to unhook the nylon door stop and wiring harness to allow the door to fully open. Step 3. Carefully unclip the wire connector or connectors, otherwise known as plastic clips, from the under-seat wire bracket. However, if one doesn't come out, don't stress. Simply move on to the next step. There are other options. The VDP Under-Seat Storage Vault is designed for the 2011 to 2007 JK 4-door model. However, with modifications, it could fit other models. Step 4. You can now remove the wire mounting bracket by removing the two screws attaching it with a T30 torque driver. In a separate area, you can also pound out any remaining plastic clips from the bracket. Insert these plastic clips into the top of the under-seat vault. You can substitute the broken or missing plastic clips with zip ties. Notice that the mounting holes on the vault match the mounting holes on the under-seat wire mounting bracket. For this reason, the bracket will no longer be needed. Step 5. Slide the seat to the full rear position, and with an 18mm socket wrench, remove the two front seat hold-down bolts. Step 6. It is now time to place the vault on the floor, in front of the seat, and push it back into position, making sure the wiring harness is above the vault, and the rear seat rail hook is engaged with the left seat rail as shown here and here. Step 7. Ensure that the outboard left bracket ear on the front of the vault is under the left seat rail, and the inboard right bracket ear is on top of the right seat rail. Step 8. Align the outboard seat bolt holes and reinsert the seat hold-down bolt. Do not completely tighten at this point. Step 9. Move the seat to the full forward position now. Secure the wiring harness on top of the vault using the plastic clips and/or zip ties. Step 10. Tighten both front seat hold-down bolts. Step 11. Now move the seat full travel and check that there are no crimping or pulling of wires. Step 12. Position the seat for use and check the vault drawer operation. Step 13. To open the vault, note the locking safety clip on the front left side of the unit. This is to prevent the drawer from sliding open when unlocked during travel. Step 14. Reattach that nylon door stop and wiring harness. Step 15. Go out and enjoy. You have now successfully completed the installation of the VDP Under-Seat Vault. Congratulations. For more great products to amplify your off-road experience, be sure to check out the great selection at vdpusa.com. Vertically Driven Products. Driving simplified.